So here we have the bubble machine, and this is the professional high grade one right here. Let's look at the specs before we open it up. It does have 2 speeds, so you could do it either faster or slower. It's super easy to use because it's portable, it's lightweight, and then it's easy to add bubbles. I'll show you guys that in a second. And then you do have 2 power modes, either batteries, or we could go ahead and plug it in, and then it's good quality material right here. It does take 4 AA if you plan on using the batteries. That's the size right there, and it holds 10 ounces of bubbles. It does come with a quick start guide. We have the power connection right here. It is USB on one side, so it's USB, and then it does have the plug on its right side right there. I love the design. It's nice, it's sleek. I did opt in for the white one, which is right here. You guys could see the knob at the very top. So all we have to do is switch it to speed 1, just one switch to the right, and then speed 2 all the way like that. We do have a handle on it right here. Makes it nice for carrying, nice and portable. We do have the battery pack right here on top, and it is those 4 AA batteries. Okay, this is the housing right here where you just go ahead and fill the bubbles up, and it just spins around and it's gonna blow it out. So let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, here's how simple it is to add the bubbles. We just pour it in the housing at the bottom. Okay, so I did put batteries in there. It's on setting number 2, and it's throwing those bubbles out. We're gonna put it on 1. It's a little bit slower. We could turn it off, but the kids are loving it, so we're just gonna keep it going on number 2, and you guys can see that it's spitting out a lot of bubbles.